Hey folks, this is Josh here at Veteran Roof Treatment. We're out here doing a safe low pressure awning cleaning. We got Marcus right now. He's spraying all of the plants, making sure nothing's going to be happening with any of the surrounding vegetation. We're going to go ahead and have Leo spray, and he's going to show you how we apply our material low pressure. As you can see, no more pressure than that of a garden hose goes on these awnings to go ahead and clean them up. That way you don't have to worry about any damage being done to your awnings at all. So if you all have any kind of sunbrella awning fabric that you're looking to get cleaned up, give us a call here at Veteran Roof Treatment at 434-286-2961, or you can check us out at veteranrooftreatment.com. I'm actually going to put the before and after photos of this particular awning in the comments section. So check us out, like and share it if you like what we're doing. If you know of somebody that can use an awning cleaning, please don't hesitate to share it to them and have them give us a call. And we appreciate it. Give us a call, 434-286-2961. Or check us out at veteranrooftreatment.com. Thanks a lot.